Do you know how to correctly remove the battery from the motorcycle and why? So I always knew that there is a correct pattern, but I always forget what I put, first and what next. And it's quite easy. You always remove first negative side, and when you put on the battery, you put first positive then negative. Why? Because when you put the negative side, you connect the frame. On most of the bikes, connect the frame, and then if you putting the battery positive side and with the screwdriver connect somewhere on the frame, you will have quite violent sparks. So when you remove first negative side, if you do that connection with positive side, nothing will happen. And when you put first positive side, again the same thing. If you make some connection, nothing will happen. Hope this helps someone.